Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. In your phone, in the right side near volume buttons, if you swipe like this, a panel will open. This is called edge panel. If you want to remove or hide this edge panel, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and go to display, then go to edge panels and turn off this button edge panels. Now you will not get any edge side panel here. If you swipe here, you will not get those edge panels. So in this way you can easily remove or hide edge panels so that you are very comfortable with sliding touching on your screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.